Hi, second graders. Pat yourself on the back if you are here with me. You are watching the math mini lesson. Yesterday we talked about repeating patterns and we discussed how repeating patterns, it's the same grouping that happens over and over again. And a repeating pattern can include any items. So some of you yesterday were inspired by the Starburst and you used different types of candy to show me repeating patterns. But I was really impressed with what you shared with me. And also I was impressed with your IXL work too. Make sure when you go to IXL, you go through Clever, then you don't have to sign in again. What do you notice about this pattern here? What do you notice? We have looks like a screw or a nail. There's one here. How many are here? 2, 3, 3. And how many are here? 5. What do you notice? Did you notice that the number's growing larger each time? There are more screws each time? Yeah, so if you look at the first example, there's 1. If you look at this example, we have 1, but now there's 1 on top of it, and there's 1 next to it too. So now there's 3. And if you look at the next part of the pattern, we have those 3, right? And now there's another 1 on top and another 1 next to it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. So what we saw first was there's just 1, right? There's 1. And then the next was 3. And then we counted 5. What would come next? How would you get from 1 to 3? You have to add 2, right? And from 3 to 5, add 2. So then what would we add to 5? Plus 2. What's 5 plus 2? 7. Yeah. So the pattern is increasing, it's getting larger. Now we're going to talk a little bit and we're going to imagine that William in our class, William has a bookstore and every day William sells some books at his bookstore. On the first day, he sold 8 books. So I am going to write the number 8 here. I'm using this isn't really a whiteboard, but I'm trying to make it work. So he has 8 books. And instead of drawing actual books, I'm just going to make lines because it's faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 books on the first day. On the second day, he sold 13 books. 13. So how many books would I draw up here? 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. On the third day, he sold 18 books. Go, William. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 books. So when we go from 8 to 13 to 18, are the numbers getting bigger or smaller? They're getting bigger, right? Now, if this pattern continues, how many books will he sell on the 4th day? How many would he sell on day 4? Now, you are going to give me the answer on Seesaw, but I just wanted to help you out a little bit more. So if he sold 8 on the first day and 13 on the second day, how many more would he need to get to 13? How many more did he sell? If I'm at 8 and I want to get to 13, I could count up 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 5 more books, right? And then to get from 13 to 18, if I'm at 13, get to 18, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, that's 5 more books. So what would I have to do to 18? I'd have to add what number? I'd have to do 18 plus 5, right? And that would give me my answer. So what you are going to do, second graders, is you are going to show